How to install Revolut app. If you want to use the Revolut app and don't know how to download it, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store, just like this. After opening it, tap onto the search button at the bottom right here. Then tap onto search bar just right here. Now type Revolut just like this and search for it. And here you can find the Revolut app just right here. Now select it, and to download it, simply tap on to get. Now double click to install the app. Just like this. Now wait for a few minutes and your app will be downloaded. And now you can see the app has been downloaded. Now you can also find the app on your home screen, just right here. And that's it. This is how you can install Revolut app on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.